Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can print your web page in Google Chrome or save it as a PDF. If you want to save a web page as a PDF or want to print out the complete web page in Google Chrome, then this guide is for you. Just follow these simple steps. First, let's open a Google Chrome. Now, let's open any web page. For example, let's say this article on cybersecurity. Now, if you want to completely print this article or say this web page, all you need to do is press the Ctrl plus P key combinations. Once you hit the Ctrl plus P combinations, you can see this print dialog box appearing. Now, this is the preview of your print document. Also note that this is also applicable for saving this document as a PDF. Now, you might have noticed that it is missing some of the elements from the web page. That is because the elements which are not the part of the printing elements and are only part of the web elements will not get printed. So, once you are done reviewing this, you may proceed on to the different configuration settings. If you want to print this web page, you can select your printer from this particular list which you have connected to your device. If you want to save it as a PDF, you can choose this option which says Save as PDF. Now, first let's understand the printing settings. Now, you may select the pages which you want to print. If you want to print the odd pages only, that includes 1, 3, 5, and so on, click on this particular option. If you want only the even pages like 2, 4, 6, and so on, click on this particular option. Now, if you want all of the pages, let it be simply to all option. And if you want custom set of pages to get printed, then you can choose on this option. For example, let's say page 2, page 5, page 6. Now, as you can see in the preview, it will print or save only these pages. If you want a particular custom range, you can do it from right here. For example, let's say 3-6. So it will only give the pages between these ranges, including these two numbers as well. Now, let's keep it back to all. And from here, you may also choose the layout like portrait and landscape. Also, you may choose the color of the printing like the black and white, or if you want the printing to be in color. Then there is also a more settings option. From here, you can customize the paper size. For example, let's say A4. It will determine the paper that goes into your printer box. Then pages per sheet, you may also give some margins for your printing and also choose the scale. This scale is actually very helpful when you try to squeeze the text inside the printable area of your paper. Now there are other options as well. For example, adding or not adding the headers and footers. If you add the headers and footer, it will appear like this in the preview. Then you may also choose to include the background graphics as well. If you enable it, the background graphics will also get printed along with the web page. Then after reviewing all these settings, all you need to do is simply click on this print button and it will print this particular sheets of paper. Now, since I don't have any connected printer, if I click on this print button, you can see that it is asking me a prompt to save it as a PDF file. Example, let's try to save it and I will name it P1. And from here, I have saved it and now it will be available in my desktop folder. Here you can see that now I can access this and read it using any PDF recognition software. And from here, I have saved it as a PDF and now if I want, I may also print it. So now you have known how to print or save the PDF of a web page. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.